Good morning, my neighbors. It's a beautiful day in the Smoke Shed neighborhood, and I'm about to get into some shit. If you see me Tyvex down, you know your boy about to get into some motherfucking shite. Bear down, baby. Today, I'm about to clean some gutters, and I said to myself, do you really want to pay a motherfucker to do some shit that you can do? So what I did was, see this long ass line? See you dirty ass gutters? Unsat. I'ma step this shit up, man. I'ma make it be what it's supposed to be. But see, we going on, make our way over here to this joint right here. I got this from Harbor Freight a couple years ago. It's been good to me. You know, I don't buy nothing expensive. I just buy shit that work. This joker right here didn't hit me for nothing. And this shit right here, this awesome, is exactly that. I was looking up some shit on Home Depot. They want $15 for this. Same size. Not awesome, but some other shit. So you know what I did? Took my ass to Dollar Store. Got the $6 shit. Fuck the $16 shit, because it's going to work just as good. And this motherfucker Predator joint, it hold the solution, so it helped me do the soap, right? So I'm going to set this joke up, and I'm going to get to work. Let me show y'all what this shit looked like before. And I ain't never cleaned no damn gutters. But that don't mean shit. Don't mean I can't do it. Because I's gonna do it. Your boy don't play with it, man. I'll make it happen. Give me a minute. Alright, let me set this shit up. Now, y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me, but that's all gangster. Because we probably gonna be rocking to some of that Smoke Shed shit. Anywho, I got my camera set up, baby. I'm motherfucking doing some shit for y'all ass. You finna you'll see your boy get down with it. Standing on the corner. Yes, sir. Shit. Now look here. Yeah, nigga face wet in the motherfucker. Check this shit out. As you can see, that spot look nasty. For the most part, that awesome got that shit clean in the mug, man. Yes, sir. Your boy Lolly. Take care of business, baby. Now I gotta go around this big motherfucker. And yes. Slow.